is your primary target. We want him alive. According to our source, he's in a red jacket. On my mark, 3, 2, 1, mark.
Diyan na ba, sir? Lalabas na? Saan nagkakaputukan sa loob? Delikado na po ata. Ako, sir, saan ba ako magtatago? Ay, dito pala, dito pala. Boom!
Got a positive ID on the leader, sir. He's in a red jacket. That's your guy.
Red jacket, red jacket. Ako, takbo, delikado din naman. Uy! Walang yun. Kakakuha na ako, sir.
Suspect is down.
Reloading, sir.
He's shooting. One less bad guy. Take him down.
Happy, sir. Oh,
Shots fired.
sintado sila, sir. Hindi ko na ata kaya. Saan silang sintado, sir. Ang dami. Amo kong gusto ko, sir. Nakikita ng services. Wala na ba akong bala? Wala na akong bala. Ito pala. Sabi ko lang. Hindi, wala. Pwede ba to? I-swap? Wala pa akong ibang baril.
She's shooting.
Lunjo. Uy! Grabe, ano pang ginagawa ninyo? Kabul. Nagigili ko din yung buhay ko dito, sir. Parang mag-retiro ko maaga ba yan?
Dougie's down. Shots fired.
Hey, cover!
He's running.
Grabe. Parang ako sa malalap ng bala. Pero okay lang. Huwag lang kayo masaktan. Uy.
Don't make it worse for yourself.
Do not shoot. Okay. I'm scared of no cop. Tumigil ka nga! Tumigil ka, huwag kang takbo na. Woo! Oh, ano yan? Warning shot. Uy! Uy! Cover! Wala akong backup. Wala akong backup this time. Grabe, shotgun. Ay, suspect must not be killed pala. Hindi pala dapat patayin. Alang yan. Huhulihin pala. Okay, ulit. Subukan na ulit. Ayun pala, capture Costa alive. Dagang costa ka pala eh. Hinihingal ako sa'yo boy. Hindi tayo prefer dito. Hindi ako preferred. Nakapagod. Okay. Hindi ko magets yung targeting system niya. Medyo nag-giraffe siya. Tayo lang natin yung life natin na mga walang bala.
You have the right to remain silent. Hey,
Kaya pa may pagbuno, dati ako UFC. Check ID pa ba?
check this one
Kilala
for
mata.
priors.
Checking database for records.
Warrant.
84, individual is a known felon.
Tagal ka na palang pinaghahanap. Nako ka. Yan. Sakay. Pinahirapan mo kami. Natakbo pa ako. Nangyaka.
You had a good long while to make trouble out here. Now you're gonna be with us for a good while longer.
You got the wrong guy.
Tell it to the judge, numbnuts.
Ay, hindi ko pa pala. Aaris ko pa pala. Baba ka muna dyan.
This
Baka
city
mo na.
will be safer when the arrest is made.
Hindi. Baba. Hindi ba pasok ng pasok dito? Sige. Ngayon. Nakasumakay. Lakas ka lang dyan ha. Hindi mo lang kung lalakasan ko yung aircon. Siyempre, kung hindi ka mainitan dyan, ano naman tayo dito, may candy dyan. Kasi hindi ka makakuha dahil nakaposas ka. Baba. Andiyan na. Anong ginagawa sa hindi nga? Kaya nahawakan eh. Pasok. Feel at home. Nice ba? Uy, briefing room. Doon tayo. Magbibrief. Tara. Magbibrief sa briefing room. Uy, dito na naman yung cars ko. Ay, napa. Hi.
All right, officers. Organized crime has finished their initial sweep of the steel mill. They have confirmed it was the August Gang's primary base of operations. The DA is satisfied that we have enough evidence to prosecute Matthew Costa as the leader of the organization.
That mean we finally get a little peace and quiet around here?
You know how this works, Sergeant. We take down one scumbag, the rest scramble to fill the void. My gut says the other gangs will be out in force in the coming days, trying to become the new kings of the hill. Our job is to stop them. But that's for tomorrow. Tonight, we sleep the sleep of the just. Good work, all of you. Dismissed. Except you, Cordell. My office.
Walang yan. Uwi na ako eh. Uwi na eh. Sarap talaga oh. Tip oh. Yes, Chief. Magandang gabi.
Your father would have been proud of what you did today, Cordell. I know he inspired you to enlist in the ACPD. And if that motivates you to be a good cop, I'm all for it.
Yes, sir.
I've been meaning to clear the air about something else as well. You might have heard things, but I want you to get it straight from me. The department did everything we could to track down your father's killer. I headed the investigation myself. But on a case this big, in a town this dirty, no one wants to step forward for fear of catching a bullet of their own. Was it random, intentional, someone sick in the head? We just don't know. But those are the risks we sign up for every day we put on this uniform. Trying to figure it all out will just drive you crazy. Like I said, your father would have been proud to see you in that uniform. And he would have wanted you to focus on keeping the city safe. Speaking of which, I want you to start working with Detectives Ferreira and Lee on your next shift. They're going to have their hands full with the garbage that will show up and try to fill the August Gang's shoes. And I have a feeling they'll be keeping you more than busy. Dismissed.
Tingnan natin. Thank you, sir. Another day. The precinct. Ganda yung game. Parang GTA pero ikaw yung police. At mas marami ka pang magagawa dahil nanguhuli ka ng mga illegal parking, nanguhuli ka ng mga speeding, vandalism. Pwede ka mag-patrol on foot, pwede ka mag-patrol on vehicle, on chopper siguro, tulad nung ginawa kanina. Masaya, ang hirap lang nung aiming system niya kapag naka-cover ka. Hindi ko ayan. Hindi ka maka-aim, pre-aim nung crosshair mo bago ka lumabas out of cover. Pero okay lang. Kasi nag-aano naman yung HP yung buhay niya. Anyway, skip cinematic. Cold Steel, police get the jump on August Gang at Mill HQ. August Gang leader revealed. August Gang leader killed after lesson 2. Pinatay din siya sa loob ng kulo. Ay nako, ng laban siya. Gusto ngayon yan.
I wish I could say otherwise, but it's a royal mess out there today. Chandler, Sayers, take Brookhaven. You got it, boss. Christie, Selby, make sure things stay on the rails in the east.
On it.
Cordell, Kelly, Chief wants you to have a chat with Detectives Lee and Ferrara before you set out on patrol.
Will do, Kowalski. What do you know, kid? They got you talking to the detectives already. You must be doing something right.
Charles, wala lang, gusto ko lang sana sabihin na mag-ingat ka din sa labas, tsaka yun lang. Okay.
Hey, Cordell, Kelly, it's good to see you. We're going to be ramping up our gang enforcement in the coming days based on some strong leads we've been getting, and we wanted to loop you in.
The two main gangs in our sights are the Jawheads, my little problem, and Crimson Serpent. Those dopes are being handled by Detective Lee.
Detective Lee.
While you're out on the beat, we want you to keep your eye out for gang members committing crimes. Once you resolve the immediate situation, be on the alert for any additional evidence they might have dropped.
If you're able to arrest a gang member, you can also find additional clues by searching them. To take these gangs down, we're going to need enough evidence to make the charges stick.
For now, you can leave the paperwork to us. When you find something, take it to Eugene up in the evidence room. You'll link it to our active cases and keep us posted. Once we get enough evidence, we can try to take down the leaders.
The chief says he wants you in the ocean, but not so deep that it's over your head. These might be the biggest operations the precinct runs.
Okay.
We still need worker bees to take care of the nitty-gritty. That's where you come in.
You're on what we like to call run around and deal with crap we don't want to do.
Like talking to that scumbag Antonio.
Antonio says he'll pass us info at particular times and places. You'll go pick it up for us. Sometimes it'll be at Kavanaugh's. If you can't make it there, he'll call a prearranged payphone. He says it's the only way he can stay safe. What a pain in the ass.
What a pain in the
Yeah, but thankfully for us, he's your pain in the ass. You want to wear the blues? You've got to pay your dues.
We all did it coming up.
Yun ah.
Damn right.
Rhyming
Well,
yan ah, rhyming ka
Go
dun
ahead
ah.
and take this to Eugene in the evidence
Ano ka
room.
na?
He'll talk you through his organization system.
Yeah, view G gangs. View G. Press G to view gangs, hindi view G gangs.
Oh no, here we go.
Oh, may mga upgrades. So, physical, of course, increase your maximum health. Combat, yung bala. Policing,
Not that kind of.
maximum support tokens by 1 in the vehicle. Of course, you get take 50% less damage when your vehicle is being shot at. Ayos. So, ay, maliit lang ang mapa ng precinct. Napakaliit. Ikot-ikot lang siguro tayo dito. So yun, Crimson Serpent, boss unknown. Ayan ang hanapin natin. Speak to Eugene. Listen to Eugene. Evidence room.
Hey, Cordell. Thanks for bringing this in. I guess now's a good time to talk you through. Alverno's gangs all have a hierarchy. We don't want to go after the big boss before we can make the charges stick. To do that, we need evidence. As you gather materials from crime scenes, I'll track the evidence against the gangster's photo. When the detectives think we have enough to make a case, we work our way up the chain. We get the low-level guys, and they lead us to the captain. We get the captain, and they lead us to the underboss. Eventually, we'll have enough of a foundation to target the gang's boss, arrest them, and my Crimson Serpent evidence you just gave me is now logged in the right spot. Not all of the evidence you gather will be related to the gangs, but anything that connects to an active gangster.
Speak again with Detective Lee. Sir?
You ready to get going on Crimson Serpent?
How's the investigation going?
Slow. Sometimes I just want these people to get a whole lot less civilized so we can take the gloves off. These days it's more paperwork and less battering rams for me, but you get us the goods on these guys, you better
Tell me what you know.
The Serpents have been a player in Averno's drug and arms trade for a few years. He used to be all Chinese. Leader's name is Charles Wong. He tries to play himself off as an upstanding local business leader, but we all know he's got a broader definition of business than most. The guy's slippery as hell, but he keeps his hands clean. And his profile high, just despite us.
Kung inside job to, sino kaya sa precinct
Our first order of business is
may
Gio
anomalya?
Weaver. New to the scene, but very arrogant. Looking to make a name for herself. You keep an eye out for evidence. I'll see if we can link it to her.
Okay. Sino kaya ang may anomalya? Kung nanonood ka ng mga cop movies, feeling ko si Chief yun. So, laging yung Chief naman ang may ano dyan eh. Ang may tinatago kasi syempre happy may mga kapit kasi ng mga gang. So, posibleng yung happy ang ano dyan, yung Chief yung may something. On foot to unlock. Okay. Dispatch will notify if a crimes occurring across the city. Get to the scene. Okay, on foot lang tayo. Ito, mag-isa ako kasama ko si Kelly. Okay. During a duty shift, you will be expected to patrol, respond to call-outs. Your permitted to use discretion is respond. Okay. Kala ko on-foot patrol. On-foot patrol. Go to your patrol sector. Okay, good lang naman. May run plate. Learn to drive. So, what naman? Grabe naman kayo.
Control 84 requesting a plate run.
Checking database for records. Nothing flagged in the system. They're clear.
Okay. Going through. Just excuse lang kung maaari lang puta. Dito na ako magpapark. Up. 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 Opya. Opya. Oo, na yung nagsirap. Opya. Opya. Okay, tara na. Uy, hotdog. Siyempre, palalagpasin ba natin to? Hotdog. Ano? Ano yung partner ko? Mag-isa lang ako.
No.
Okay, thank you sir. Magkano? Ay, sorry, magkano? Matabayad. Say, nasukli. Keep the change, brother. Ano yun? Wait, ito. Sir,
How you doing?
hindi kita kinakausap.
Dispatch, I need a warrants check on an ID.
Affirmative, stand by. All clear on that search. No criminal history.
Sir, check lang ha. Kasi parang ano eh. No illegal items found. Okay. Before arresting or finding a suspect, select the offenses to charge them with. Ano yung delegate paperwork? What is a delegate paperwork? Teka. Burglary, aggravated burglary, assault with a deadly weapon, murder, attacking an officer, non-lethal, evading arrest, gang versus gang, mugging, street fight, other crimes. Wala naman eh. Ano yung paperwork? Try natin. Littering. Fine na lang. Pero huwag kayo magkakalat sa susunod ha. Ha? Nasabi ko lang sa inyo na maghanap kayo ng basurahan at doon nyo itapon yung mga basura nyo. Teka, ang ingay ng music. Ayun nga, sinasabi ko, basura kayo, ibulsan nyo muna. Kung wala kayong mahanap ng basurahan. Ngayon kung may basurahan na, yun, doon kayo magtapon. Sir ha, sinasabi ko lang. Ha? Sige sir, mag-ingat kayo. Mag-ingat kayo. Saan ka naman ang galit, pre?
Available radio cars. We have a 1031 burglary reported in.
Saan yun? Dito yun, dito. Pagpali ka rito, dali. May magnanakaw ba? Walang yaka naman, oh. Dali! Nawala na naman siya. Nawala na naman siya, syempre. Excuse ma'am, excuse. Maaari lunghusan ng...
Hey! Hold it! You have the right to remain silent. All right, that's enough.
Habuli mo na eh. Hawakan mo yan. Nawala. Walang yan. Imbis na may partner ako eh. Nawala yung isa. Ikaw ata yun eh.
Don't make it worse for yourself.
Hindi ikaw yun. Nawala yung isa. Alam mo ba, may partner ako. Dapat.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
Received. Checking now.
May partner ako dapat.
Search returned with an active warrant.
Good catch.
Good catch. Nawala yung isa kasi wala ka. Bisa dalawa tayo. Good catch ka pa dyan. Grabe. Wala ka naman ibang offense, no? Hindi kita pwedeng ano.
On it.
Yun nga, suspect escape eh. Kasi kung ha? Harap mong kutungan eh, ha? Nawawala ka eh. Teka, tatawagin ko lang si Ramirez para kunin to si Sir. Alam niya ka? Nakawala yung isa, may dalang yun yung may dalang ano eh, teka. May dalang karton eh. Hindi ko lang kung ano laman ng karton, hindi na natin malalaman. Hey! Nasaan si Ramirez? Sabi ko ulihin na to ah. Bagal naman. Ayan, udali mo. Oh, nakawala isa. Ang partner ko, di ko lang kasi nagpupun na. Halika na nga. Sarap mo, kutungan.
Attention units, we have reports of a street fight occurring in Chinatown.
Liga dali, may nag-aaway daw doon. Mga tao dito talaga sa ano. Sino? Ayun, nagsusuntukan. Magkakapatayan pa. Hoy!
Stop there.
Hoy, tigil niyan.
You're coming with me.
Tigil na yan. Itigil
All
niya.
right, punk. That's enough.
Teka. Habulin! Ito talaga tong partner ko. Galing! Masasagasaan ka pa. Walang mo.
Understood.
Ay, hindi ko alam kung sino yung may kasalanan. Yun, oh. Huwag ka lang pumapalag.
You have the right to remain silent. Take it easy.
Sino mo nang sagasaan? Itinawag mo na.
Control, check this one for priors.
Oh, Robert.
Checking database for records.
May alak ka din. Nung kanina, may alak din.
84, individual is a known felon.
Bubblegum. Comb. Maka naman maayos, ano? Oh, huy. Delgado, kunin mo to. Nagdalawang sasakyan pa kayo. Ang gastos yun sa gasolina. Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi mo na lang. Nakita mo ba yung ginawa ng prospect kanina? Ha? Umakyat dun, tapos pumasok dyan. Alam mo kung yung mas nakakabwisit? Ginaya mo pa eh. Hindi ka maano eh. Hindi nakapagod. Kung hindi kita matansya, ewan ko sa'yo. Mali na nga ang ginawa. Ginaya mo pa eh. Makyat ka rin eh. Balik na tayo rito. Ito kanina dito, bumili lang ako ng hotdog. Sabi ko, lilibre kita. Nawala ka. Ikaw, may tinatago ka ba? Wise ka ha. Bumili lang ako ng hotdog kanina. Nawala ka. Ay, nako. Ba't ba ang layo mo? Galit ka ba sa akin? Mag-uusap nga tayo. Dito ka sa tabi ko. Kamay ko.
All units, we have reports of a street robbery in
May nakawa na naman. Dalian mo. Pilos. Ano kasing ano mo eh. Hindi ka kasi mag-exercise eh. Yan na. Lapit na tayo. Ano to? Magnanakaw na nun. Dami na magnanakaw dito sa Chinatown. Ito si ano. Oh.
Halt!
Huwag ka nang tumakbo. Pochang gala. Oh.
support is standing by.
Pwede, taser kita. Pag ikaw nasagasaan. Yan, sabi ko sa'yo. Pag ikaw nasagasaan. Ha?
You have the right to remain silent. Wait there.
Nasagasaan pa. Ha? Dito nga tayo. Dito tayo. Gilid ka, gumilid ka. Ako pa. Kilala ko pa naman tatay mo.
Dispatch, I need an ID check.
O, diba?
Affirmative, stand by.
Kaibigan ng tatay ko yung tatay mo.
84, no infractions on record.
Ang problema.
What have we got here?
Mayroon ka pang kutsilyo. Ano bang... Naputi ka? Ha? Meron kang, ano ba? Mugging. Tapos, evading arrest. Tapos, ano pa ba? Meron ka pang possession of... Hindi naman illegal weapon yun. Illegal weapon ba yun? Firearms? Hindi naman, ano... Pero meron kang mugging, meron kang evading arrest. Sinaktan mo ba yon? Sigurado ka hindi mo sinaktan yon? Sigurado ka.
Well, work for me. Oh, what a surprise.
Talaga na.
Just relax, will you?
Yan, ano kita. Hindi ba pwedeng ikaw kumuha ng kotse natin? Hindi pwede, no? Hindi pwede. Mapagod ka eh, no? Mapagod. Wawa ka naman. No? Nandun sa kabilang dako yung ano natin eh. Sa kabilang dako yung sasakyan natin eh. Alam mo kasi tapos na yung trabaho ko ngayon. Ikaw na ang huling huli ko. So, swerte ka dahil ihahatid ka namin sa presinto. Personally, ako mismo. Diba? Ang main character. Halika na. Masyado akong ginugutom dito sa Chinatown. Nakapasting ako eh. Ang babango ng mga ano.
Alright, time to clock out.
Ang babango ng mga pagkain eh. Halika na. Ma'am, excuse me lang po may saraulo lang po ako dito nahawakan at yung partner ko, di ko alam, di ko maintindihan kung bakit nasa likod lang siya. Ayan o, diba, distansya siya kung distansya eh. Yung bilis talaga, alam mo, yan lang ang gusto ko dito sa ano. Teka, halika mo na rito. Check ko lang to. Ayan, kung ano paloko-loko. Okay. Check ko lang mga parting. Hindi naman ito yung ano ko trabaho ko ngayon, pero check ko lang. Halika na. Biro na ako.
Dispatch 84 reporting a vehicular robbery in motion.
Received.
Oh, sorry
No
sir.
way, dispatch.
Wala tayong backup. Whoa.
Suspect vehicle last spotted in Litchfield.
Central, we'll take that.
Affirmative.
Uy, may nadamay pa.
Arrest him.
Ina ka. Ha?
You have the right to remain silent.
Take it easy.
Appears annoyed. Ikaw pa annoyed. No illegal.
Central, requesting
Pauwi
a
na ako.
1029 on the
Pauwi
subject.
na kami.
Received. Checking now. All clear on that search. No criminal history.
Ito ba nakainom?
Okay, they're sober.
Kailangan kaalak-alak. Kailangan kaalak-alak. Tawan. Sige. Cabjack? Ay mali. Hindi ka pala cabjack. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Evading arrest ka eh. Yun lang naman ang alam ko. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit ka tumakbo eh. Ito.
Shift's over. Yabba dabba do.
Saan? Gamit niya. Oh, kayo mag-aaway dyan ah.
From GTA yan? Or
Hindi,
same,
hindi.
maker? Same developer?
Pre-sync. Ano? Hindi na ako tatanggap ng diba? Tayo dun, beating the red light. Dapat tayo, setting an example sa ating mga sinasakupan. Wasak ang kotse na naman, papaayos na lang ni Jeep yan. Tanggal yung bumper. Uy! Sorry, pagod na. Hindi ko lang bilhin. Hindi mo bang kunin yung isa? Huwag ka na makulit dyan, mamaya na.
Kailangan ko. Nawait ko pa tayo ko.
Teka sir, may isa pa ako dun. Nasa sasakyan. Mag-isa lang kasi ko eh. Wala akong partner. Ano ka ba? Nag-o-observe ka lang? Remember your face. Picturean mo. Remember your face ka pa nalalaman eh. Missed offense, hindi ko nga alam kung ba't natin hinabol yun. Bigla na lang siyang ano eh. Whew! Pagod for today's video, nakakapagod. Anyway. Pahinga na. Hoy! Oh! Hi miss, may problema po ba? Eat my shorts. Okay. Thank you po ma'am. Good evening din po. Evidence collected. Uy, konektado yung yung radyo o yung napulot ng basura. Poor conduct. Uy, may shotgun na tayo. Upgrade token na yun. Plaza. Yun lang yun. Incorrect offense yung kanina. Tapos, suspect escape yung kanina. Another day.
Listen up, everyone. Before you get to your regular assignments, we have a special guest who needs our help, and he wanted to talk to you about it himself. This is Spencer Sharp.
Spencer I. Sharp, madam.
Oh, well, my mistake. Spencer I. Sharp. Mr. Sharp is the curator at the Averno City History Museum, and he's got a situation on his hands.
Hello, officers. I come to you with news of a serious crime. Several artifacts from the museum have gone missing. 20 in all.
They stole them out of the exhibits?
Some, yes. About half were stolen from out in the open. The rest were taken from our vault, which means that whoever made off with them knew what they were doing, and somehow managed to get their hands on a set of keys.
Got any suspects?
I have no earthly idea who would do such a thing. And to tell you the truth, I'm more concerned with finding the lost items than I am with apprehending the culprit.
Okay, you heard the man. Keep your eye out for any of this stuff as you move around the city. Then bring it in, get it to Eugene, and we'll send it back where it belongs.
Thank you, officers. Averno City's legacy depends on you.
Okay. Shift assignment, vehicle patrol to unlock station. So, 10 times. Okay, thank you. Start yung next shift on the next day. Okay, bye.